चलो चलो Good morning people, welcome to Unshaved Baba Vlogs, me your friend Irfan. We are here at the Xpulse XTRACKS event. Here are the bike parking. I parked my bike there. Now we are off to the registration. I'll show you where the registration is. Here are the other bike parking. Here are my friends. Hey, go there, Jabari.
You're really fat.
Registration desk is kind of empty right now because everybody has already registered. Not much riders are here. I think only 200 riders. That is the registration desk there. That is the refreshment table where you see my friend Akash. This is the goodies table. This is the Xpulse. And that is where you will get a briefing of the bike.
Cheers, man.
Yeah. Red Bull.
Red Bull?
Red Bull. And this
Okay.
Maida.
On the name?
Nah, welcome.
Energy
This is the track. I'll show you the track once we start here. This is the track. That is the briefing area. Rider briefing. I got my tag as 65. And yeah, that's it for then. See you on the track. Yes, that was the starting point. You saw a little bit of drift here right now. That's it. That is where we start. I'll show you the track when I go there. I'll try to rip the track a bit. Let's see. It's kind of an easy track set by our very own Mr. Barida. Yeah, see? Mr. Barida, what I mean. Track specialist. That's it from here. That's it from the start right now. See you on the track. Xpulse track sponsored by Red Bull.
Good morning all. Morning. This is Bari from we are going to organize XTRACKS Kolkata. So let me start with the track. ট্র্যাকটা এমনভাবে ডিজাইন করা হয়েছে তোমাদেরকে সবার আগে চালানোর আগে এটা বুঝতে হবে। তো চেক করার জন্য কাউকে ডাকা হয়নি, তোমাদেরকে এনজয় করার জন্য এত কিছু করা হয়েছে। ফলো করো, যখন দেখবে খুব প্রবলেম হচ্ছে তুমি সবাই হেল্প নিতে পারবে। স্টার্ট পয়েন্ট এটা আমাদের, তোমরা যদি দেখতে পাও এই যে ফ্ল্যাগটা লাগানো আছে ওই ফ্ল্যাগটা থেকে স্টার্ট হবে। স্টার্ট এখান থেকে আপনার 200-250 মিটার মোটামুটি ফ্ল্যাট আউট আছে।
আর বাইক নিয়ে পড়লে
বাইক নিয়ে পড়বে কেন?
আচ্ছা,
পড়তেই পারি, আমাদের চালানো জানি না।
পড়তেই পারি,
পড়তেই পারো, পড়লে বলো। ঠিক আছে, অল সেট, কোনো ডাউট? নো,
থ্যাংক ইউ।
So here we have, this is my white Xpulse. Feels like I'm riding Baida's Xpulse. Chalo dekhte hain. Let's see what happens. I'm all set up. That is our leader. We don't have a tailor yet. I am 65. So here is the Xpulse. I'm on to the XTRACKS. As per the said, loose gravel, no gear. No down, oh look at that. Other guys coming behind me. On to the marshland. Have to slow down a bit, give time for them to ride. This is just an experience of a ride slash. You can go to slash, but choose not to go to slash. Here is the incline. Here are the ditches. Car की साइड वॉल ले रहे थे कार की ने बोला या तो आस्ते आस्ते होते साइड वॉल की ने बैठा थे
লাগেনি তো
না না ঠিক আছে
ও ঠিক আছে ছেড়ে দে
আরে এটা তো আবার উল্টে গেছে
ঠিক আছে
এটা আবার উল্টে গেছে গো
ছেড়ে দাও গাড়ি ছেড়ে দাও
না হবে হবে
গাড়ি ছেড়ে দাও डैमेज हुआ है छोड़ देना बोले अभी यहाँ पे गाड़ी ब्रेक কাজ করছে
এই কাজ করছে
বাকিতে বলে দেবো কি বাকিতে বলে একটা গাড়ি ড্যামেজ হয়েছে one bike got damaged
That was an amazing fall there. I got my shot. After everything, I am all right. Just a little bruises and probably hit my leg. That I'll see at home. It was an experience. I was just saying my friends I will take a video where I will fall down so that I get a good video. I think guys, now give me some views on this. Give me some likes on this because I didn't do for you guys. My hand slipped. I was wearing a gripless gloves. My hand slipped. I fell down. Thankfully, I saved myself. Nothing happened. But as the rider spirit go on. Get up, get onto the bike, ride again. I was telling you guys, okay, I'm starting off on Baikda's bike. Ultimately, I had to come on Baikda's bike. That's it. This is me, Anshit Baba. In the refreshment, here we see the refreshment guys. So rude. Refreshment guys says. Some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. So that's it from this vlog. See you next time with another amazing vlog and another amazing episode of Anshit Baba Travels. Sayonara, keep riding. Hasta la vista, babies. Enjoy some drone shots from the Xpulse XTRACKS. See you soon.